Greeting in French or salutation en français. French for beginners, lesson 4. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atiye and I teach French from zero in my channel. In this lesson, I want to teach how to say hello, how are you in French. First, we'll see 2 example dialogues in French, then we'll analyze their details. So let's get started. I read one time in French, then I'll translate in English. Bonjour, Monsieur Lefort. Bonjour, Madame Adelman. Comment allez-vous? Très bien, merci. Et vous? Vous allez bien? Oui, je vais bien, merci. À bientôt. À bientôt. Bonjour, Monsieur Lefort. Hello, Mr. Lefort. Bonjour, Madame Adelman. Hello, Mrs. Adelman. Comment allez-vous? How are you? Très bien, merci. Very good, thank you or thanks. Et vous? And you? Vous allez bien? Are you all right? Oui, je vais bien, merci. Yes, I'm all right, I'm fine, thank you. À bientôt. See you later. À bientôt. See you later. As you see in this image, this is a formal situation. This is, if I'm saying it correctly, in an office. So you have your greeting in an official and formal context. That's why they say to each other, Monsieur and Madame. And one time in another video, I said to you, vous can be used for the second singular person, but just in a formal and respectful context. This is exactly the case. So I repeat again. Bonjour, Monsieur Lefort. Bonjour, Madame Adelman. Comment allez-vous? Très bien, merci. Et vous, vous allez bien? Oui, je vais bien, merci. À bientôt. À bientôt. And in our second dialogue, as you see in the image in the corner of my page, they are like 2 friends, 2 sisters, or something like that. Briefly, they are in an informal situation in a casual and friendly context. So, listen carefully. Coucou jolie. Salut Marie. Tu vas bien? Oui, je vais bien. Et toi, ça va? Oui, pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça. Ok. Ciao. Ciao. Coucou jolie means hi jolie, but coucou is a very, very familiar word. It is very casual. Coucou jolie. Hi jolie. Salut Marie. Hi Marie. Salut is the synonym of coucou and it is very friendly too. Tu vas bien? Are you all right? Oui, je vais bien. Yes, I'm fine. Et toi, ça va? And you, it's okay? Oui, pas mal. Yeah, not bad. Comme ci, comme ça. So. Not good, not bad. Okay, ciao. Okay, bye. Bye. So ciao is another casual word. That means goodbye. So, in French, we have two types of greeting dialogue. When you are speaking to your boss, to your colleague, to stranger people, to your neighbor, etc., you are in a formal context and you are not very close to this person. So you need to choose some formal and more respectful words and expressions. On the contrary, when you are speaking to your friend, to your family members, to somebody who is very close to you, you need to use some casual and friendly words. Imagine that this yellow line is your greeting dialogue, either in a formal context or in an informal context. Any difference? For both of them, you need some expressions. First, you need some expressions to start your dialogue ou commencer le dialogue. Something like hello, hi, the things like that. And then you need something to continue this dialogue. The things like how are you all right? Or continuer le dialogue in the second stage. And then in the end, you need some expressions to finish your dialogue or finir le dialogue, something like goodbye, see you later. Here you see some expressions for your formal greeting dialogue. And this group is used in order to start your dialogue. The second group in order to continue your dialogue, and the last group just for finishing your dialogue. Bonjour means hello. Bonsoir, hello too. Both of them mean hello, but the difference is that bonjour is used during the day and bonsoir is for the evening. Both of them means hello, but it depends on the moment of the day. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Bienvenue, welcome, when somebody comes to your office or to your house. Comment allez-vous? How are you? Je vais bien, merci. I'm fine, thank you. Or you can say, vous allez bien? Are you all right? Oui, très bien. Yeah, very good. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much. And in the end, you can say, bonne journée means have a good day, and bonne soirée, have a good evening. Bon après-midi, have a good afternoon. Bon après-midi is used in the beginning of your dialogue and in the end of your dialogue too. À bientôt. See you later. Au revoir. Goodbye. Je vous quitte. Je vous quitte means I leave you. I don't know exactly if the Anglophones use exactly something like that, something I leave you. I don't know exactly, but in French it's very usual, and they say simply je vous quitte. À la prochaine or à la prochaine fois means see you next time. À la prochaine fois. À demain, see you tomorrow. Okay, I repeat again. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bon après-midi. Bienvenue. Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien, merci. Vous allez bien? Oui, très bien. Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée. Bon après-midi. À bientôt. Au revoir. Je vous quitte. À la prochaine. À la prochaine fois. À demain. Okay. Now we have some expressions, exactly the same structure, but in a friendly and in a casual situation. The first group is for starting your dialogue, and the second one in order to continue it, and the last one is just for finishing your dialogue. At first, you can say salut or coucou. Both of them means hello or hi, but they are very, very, very casual, so pay attention. Salut, coucou, and bonjour and bonsoir. You know them. Salut, coucou, bonjour, bonsoir. They are used also in an informal situation. The second one, comment vas-tu? How are you? Je vais bien. I'm fine. Tu vas bien? Are you all right? Oui, je vais bien. Merci. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. Or you can say briefly just ça va instead of saying tu vas bien or comment vas-tu. There is a very short question. It is very short, but it means how are you? You can say ça va. That means how are you? Ça va or ça va bien? And the answer is ça va. So the difference is just in your intonation. When it is a question, you can say ça va bien? And in the answer, you say simply oui, ça va. And when your answer is negative and you are not good, you are not fine, you say non, ça ne va pas. Ça va means yeah, I'm fine. Ça ne va pas means no, I'm not fine. Pas mal, not bad. Comme si, comme ça, so, not good, not bad. And in the end, for finishing your dialogue, you can say ciao and salut. Salut is used in the beginning and in the end too. Ciao, salut. À très vite. À très vite means see you soon. À plus, see you soon. Or see you later. À plus tard, see you later. À tout de suite. And à tout à l'heure means see you later to both of them. So I repeat again. Salut. Coucou. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Comment vas-tu? Je vais bien. Tu vas bien? Oui, je vais bien, merci. Ça va? Ça va bien? Oui, ça va. Non, ça ne va pas. Pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça. Ciao. Salut. À très vite. À plus. À plus tard. À tout de suite. À tout à l'heure. Let's see our two dialogues again. Now you're able to understand them very well because now you know very well these expressions. Bonjour, Monsieur Lefort. Bonjour, Madame Adelma. Comment allez-vous? Très bien, merci. Et vous? Vous allez bien? Oui, je vais bien, merci. À bientôt. À bientôt. Coucou jolie. Salut Marie. Tu vas bien? Oui, je vais bien. Et toi, ça va? Oui, pas mal. Comme ci, comme ça. Ok, ciao. Ciao. Okay, it's finished. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. If you are interested in learning French from the beginning, subscribe this channel and activate the bell in order to receive notifications when we have a new lesson. See you soon!